Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group Certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, stock number B9511A. Only 7,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, dark Cordovan in color. To be Chrysler Group Certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Pacifica seat 7 with a leather interior. Stone glow seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Fixed skylight over the third row with sunshade. Middle row buckets are also heated. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. This Pacifica has power folding rear seats. Will stow into the rear with a touch of a button. Will also reverse into the upright position. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And don't forget they are heated. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 7,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel along with ventilated seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Driver, passenger, and separate rear heat and air controls. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shift. Hard keys for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, moonroof and sunshade control, power liftgate, sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. And again, only 7,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.